Hello, my name is Rick Daniel. I'm the owner of Rick Daniel Home Inspections and California Mold Services. Today we're in Tracy, California, and we're looking at a little home in the Central Valley. It's about 1,100 square feet. It's a one-story, one bedroom, one bath, built in about 1957, single pane windows, and the roof is a composition roof. It's got a sub area and stucco siding. The weather outside is clear and sunny. It's early in the morning. It's about 10:30. The outdoor air temperature is 45 degrees. The relative humidity is 58%. Indoor temperature is about 68 degrees with a relative humidity of 48%. Today we're going to be testing a few rooms in the building with the ERMI test. We're going to be checking the front office, the living room, the bedroom, the rear office, and the art room or the back porch. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open the dust test kit, and that'll be in our next video.